Welcome to this Flowcode video. When running Flowcode for the first time, you will be asked to choose your license. Click the My Flowcode License button. Enter your Flowcode username and password in the appropriate fields. These are the same username and password that you used when creating your account on the Flowcode website. Next, click the Activate button and your license will be downloaded to your PC. When your license has been accepted, dismiss the dialog by clicking OK. Flowcode will then need to be closed and restarted. Click Yes to close Flowcode. Entering your username and password is required only once. From now on, running Flowcode will result in this welcome screen. The left side has buttons for creating new projects and opening existing projects. The right side contains information about your Flowcode license. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.